Hello, in front of me I've got Dacia Jogger. In this video I'll show you how to check seatbelt manufacture date. To check the seatbelt manufacture date, take a look at any seatbelt. At the bottom of it, you will find special number. Right here, you will find this piece of fabric, and the seatbelt manufacture date is located right here on it. In this case, this seatbelt was manufactured in March of 2022. It is crucial to check this date when you buy a used car, because in case the seatbelt is younger than the car, it can indicate that the car was in crash. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.